unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
First, ensure your TV is properly connected to a functioning power outlet. Try a different outlet to rule out any issues with the current one. Second, check the power cord for any damage and ensure it's securely connected to both the TV and the outlet. Third, disconnect all devices, such as HDMI cables, from the TV. Then try turning it on again. Lastly, if available, try using the remote as well as the power button on the TV itself. If it still won't turn on, consider resetting your TV or contacting support.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.